Bought a high-rise unit for the balcony view, but ended up keeping the balcony empty? Too hot during the day? Rain keeps splashing in, and sometimes strong wind makes the space miserable. But now, the balcony feels completely different with Zipguide The New Expert. From fully exposed to a protected and private living space. Close it when the weather gets bad. It helps block heat, rain, and wind, while still maintaining the outdoor view. It also helps prevent dust, insects, and birds from coming in. Open it anytime to enjoy fresh air and the view. Your balcony isn't just for the view, it's a space you can finally use every day. Zipguide The New Expert is engineered for Malaysia's harsh wind and rain with a structure that is truly windproof, safe, durable, beautiful, easy to use. Visit our showroom in Seri Kembangan and experience it yourself.